In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly carve text in Canva, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paris and we are all about tools and tips to help you grow your business with online marketing. So to get started, we're going to go to canva.com and you can sign up using the link in the description. So I'm going to go to the dashboard and I'm going to click on here where it says create a design. So you can use whichever design that you'd like to create. For this tutorial, I'm going to be creating a Facebook post. The first thing we're going to do is add some text. So I'm just going to press on T on my keyboard and you can see we have a text box added in here. So I'm going to be typing in curved text is so much fun, but I'm going to break it into two. So I'll type in curved text is on one part, and on the other part, let me just duplicate this. You just press Alt on your machine and then you just pull it outwards or drag it outwards. That way it duplicates. Then Control A so that you select all of the text. And then I type the second part of the text. So for this one, I'll type in so much fun. So the whole text will be reading curved text is so much fun. So I'm going to click on the text and I'm going to click on this font here called Seasons. I'm also going to bold it a little bit and I'm going to change the color to maybe blue, and then we are going to just go to these three dots and we're going to click on copy style so that we can copy the style here. So now we have two texts with the same formatting. So I'm going to carve this first text here. You just click on the text and then you go to effects and then you go down to where it says curve, and now you can see that the text is already curved, but you're going to adjust the curvature by dragging this maybe up to maybe 70 so that we have it as that. We're also going to play around with the spacing so that it doesn't look too tight, so we can have it as maybe that, and then we're going to duplicate the same. So let me see the spacing for that. That is 148. So I'm going to click on this other text and then we are going to click on effects and we are also going to curve it, but this time we are going to adjust the curvature so that it is in the opposite direction. So maybe we can have it at maybe 39. I'm also going to adjust the spacing. Maybe we can have it at 148 as well, and then I'm going to pull it down so that it sort of meets with this other text. So when you look at them together, you can now see that it's sort of a nice pattern going there, and if you wanted to, you can continue to adjust the curvature. So if you want to adjust it some more, you just continue to pull it like that. So that way I've adjusted it so that it is more curved outwards. So once you're done, you can group these two together. So we're going to group that, and now we can have it somewhere here at the top. I'm also going to reduce the size a little bit and then I'll duplicate it. So you just hold Alt on your machine and you drag it outwards, and now we have another curved text there. So you just try to position it so that you have a nice curve going for both of them like that. Yeah, and you see how pretty it already looks. So we are going to group these two together. So you just click outwards and then you click on both of them, and then now you have to ungroup and then you regroup so that it is now one item like that. And then what we are going to do, we can duplicate it so that we have another pattern. And if you wanted to, you can change the color for this. Maybe we can have it as maybe red, but now you have to change them individually. I don't know if there's a way to change for all of them together. You can let me know in the comments if you do know that one. So now we have two of these, and you can add in as many as you'd like. I can add a third one so that we have this third one here, and we can change the color for this one to maybe as green. So I'll change the text for this. Yeah, so you can see that we have our curved text here, and if you wanted it to be one item, you can just select everything and then you ungroup it, then without clicking anywhere else, you just group it, and now you have it as one item again. So you see you can have it there, and now you can add in even more, and this is looking really nice. So I can group all of them. So you just ungroup and then you regroup so that I can move in outward so that it will go from corner to corner like that. So I'm going to add in a bit of design work here to show you what maybe you can do with a photo. So I will quickly add in a frame. So we are going to go to frames down here, and I'm going to be, maybe if you want to make this post about maybe a sale of shoes, maybe you have a shoe business, so I can click on this first frame here, and then we can add in maybe a photo of a shoe or something. Let me see if I can find some shoes. So I'm looking for a free one because I'm on my free account, so I can maybe choose this one. And then I'm going to just hover this photo over my frame there so that I can have it in the frame. And now I want to add some curved text to this. So again, remember, you just press T on your keyboard, and then we are going to say maybe Christmas sale. Maybe you're having a Christmas sale, then just make this a little bigger. We can change the font color of this maybe to red, and then we can also make it a bit bold. And now we are going to curve it. So you can see now, this is why you need to work with the curvature, because you can see as it is now, it's sort of very squeezed and it doesn't fit the photo well. So we are going to adjust this curvature like that, so that we are trying to go around the circle. Now we can add in some spacing so that it looks really nice going around the circle. I'm also going to add in maybe something Christmassy to this design. So I'm looking for a photo with a bit of Christmassy vibe. I'm also looking for one that is free, because this is my free account, and without lots of writing, because we also don't want to distract from our design. So maybe we can use let's see if there's any. You can use this one, and it's free. This is perfect. So I'm just going to click on this, and I'm going to set it as the background of the image, but I'm also going to reduce the transparency so that it's more in the background. You can also move this one here. Yeah, so you can sort of see it, but it's in the background, so it's not really distracting from our design. So this is something that perhaps you can play around with and see whether it works for you. So that is how to quickly carve text on Canva. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. In the meantime, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.